Okay. Hello. Um, I want to greet all of you, those who have come, those who will actually find this discussion later on. My name is Dr. Dalarjin. I'm actually coming to analyze about the African Union recommendation on South Sudan that you have just seen, the African Summit. What is the outcome? So I'm going to break it down about what they recommended for South Sudan conflicts and resolution, and how this recommendation will work or not work. This is what I'm going to analyze. Okay, so please share it so that people can actually be able to see it. First of all, what happened in Addis Ababa? There is a huge summit of the African leaders, African Union, all the region, almost about 54 countries. They are meeting, and these are leaders. So they have proposed a new intervention, for the conflict in South Sudan. That is what they propose. And the number one thing is that they have proposed a committee to lead this. Okay, this committee actually the committee is what they call it the C5, which is the African the IGAD plus. IGAD plus mean the region that is IGAD, East African region, which is the countries in East Africa, plus other 5 countries from the other African region. That's what it means, the IGAD plus. So what it means is that any country bordering South Sudan is considered to be within the east of Africa, but there are some countries that are not, they are far away from South Sudan. So this country now, in this new intervention, they are going to be involved. So they have chosen 5 countries to be involved in the resolution of the conflict right now. These 5 countries are Algeria, Chad, Nigeria, Rwanda, and South Africa. And South Africa former leader is Cyril Ramaphosa, is the one who is actually in charge of this committee. He's going to actually to lead the committee. Is going to lead the new intervention in South Sudan. I'm going to talk about the new intervention. This one might not look like the normal thing that you have been seeing. Is a little bit going to be different. Okay, so he's the leader right now, the person who is going to oversee the new intervention in South Sudan. And what they are proposing is that they propose to speed up. Actually, they realize that there is no way to measure the success in South Sudan without talking about the peace agreement, revitalized peace agreement 2018. That is what they are talking about. They say they are going to speed that one up and implement it fully. So that's what they are talking about. Second is that they demand the release of all political detainees in South Sudan. And the third thing they were talking about that came up in Addis is that Salva Kiir, the leader of South Sudan, become very sick. He cannot walk. He was almost falling down, and some people saying that there was issues that is embarrassing. So this was also another issue that happened actually in the discussion. So I'm going to break it down how it looked like and how the new intervention will look like actually. Number one is that they propose a full implementation of the agreement. That's what they are proposing actually. This full implementation means there will be a complete unified armed forces that were proposed. They're going to implement that fully. That means integration of forces. and then they're going to form a strong institution. We are talking about a strong ministry, a strong parliament, a strong justice, and then people will prepare for election. Well, this one was talking about. The question will be, how are they going to do this now? What is going to be new thing? That is what I'm going to talk about, okay? The different, because most of these things were tried before and they were failing. Well, my argument is that right now, I think they're going to enforce it by military intervention. That's going to be military intervention. And if you look at this, if you look at the new intervention, there are some countries involved, okay? And a lot of people who don't understand what United Nations, peacekeepers, the UN involvement, how military involved, you may not understand. So I will refer you to some of the countries that actually there was a military involvement. So the reason they bring in a country like Rwanda, okay, to intervene, why do you think Rwanda is selected? I think the reason they bring Rwanda here in the intervention is because there is Rwandese troop in South Sudan right now. A lot of troops of Rwanda, from Rwanda, are in South Sudan. They are serving as what we call peacekeepers now. Another thing is the issue of Nigeria. Nigeria has a troop in South Sudan. And then also we have South Africa. South Africa has a troop. So there's a lot of things that is going on. So this one, the new intervention is going to have a military enforcement. They're going to enforce it. Meaning, if they found out that you don't like peace or maybe you are the obstacle, they will actually order all those forces to fight you. And this one, we are looking at a case in Somalia, where I examined the case in Congo. A lot of cases that there was AU, African Union, military intervention. This is what is going to happen in our country. Okay. Now, second, they have recommended accountability and transition justice. What does this one mean? How does this one look like? So what it means is that there's going to be a court, actually, a AU court, UN court. And this court will have judges from international, from the region Africa, and also maybe from South Sudanese judges. So this court will actually try any person commit a crime in the war or during the war. Okay, so we are talking about, it's going to be hybrid court. So they're going to enforce this. How are they going to do this? They will finance. So if the problem is there is money, the money will be available to actually create this court, and it will be established and built in South Sudan and become operation. Okay, that is another thing. Second is that the court will try people. So if there are people, if you are really a vice president or a president, you can be tried in this court, actually. Okay, so that's what is going. Then they're going to do security reform. Security reform mean in South Sudan there's going to be a huge disarmament. Actually, there's going to be so much disarmament. Tribal forces that are going to be disarmed. Okay, so what is happening is that there will be military intervention from countries, all those countries that maybe Algeria, Chad, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, all those 5 will bring military in South Sudan. It's called military intervention. What they will do, if it's found out that you operate like a militia and you're not going to be part of this agreement, they will disarm you. Okay? Militarily, they're not going to beg you or to talk with you. They will go there, they will order all the peacekeepers to become armed forces. That's what happened actually in Congo, and that's what happened in Somalia. Okay? So what is the other thing is that they're going to make anybody who will be going for peace agreement, all the forces will be converted as a professional force. Okay, so they're going to be armed forces, national armed forces, professional, and then they're going to be trained how to become good army or national army in South Sudan. Okay, so this one will be enforced by military intervention and by finance. They will finance it. Okay, So another thing is that they will kind of like trying to monitor the election. That means propose people will be taught, citizens will be taught how to vote, how constitution actually can work, how the law will work, and there can be a training. Another thing is that they are proposing humanitarian and economic support, which means they will support this by empowering the anti-corruption system, maybe transparency, economic, and some financial means to help the country. So these are the things that they are trying to kind of like help. What I'm going to do here is that this thing, most of you South Sudanese, maybe they have looked at this like it's a normal thing. Oh, this one has happened before, then therefore there's going to be maybe what will be new. Well, there's going to be new. This is going to be new. The new thing, my argument is that there are two things going to be new in this kind of intervention. Number one, there will be a military intervention, not just talking. Okay, this is going to be new. Okay, so that means AAU. Actually, I can predict, and let me predict this: the AAU, which means African Union, and the IGAD, plus the United Nations, UN peacekeepers that you see in Juba, actually they will use force, military force, to enforce the peace agreement. That's what is going to happen actually. Okay, and that's what will make it new. Second, they're going to use money. So many of these force of the peace agreement, they are not necessarily just failing because Salva Kiir violated or Riek Machar violated. No, it's because there was no money and there is no military to enforce who is wrong and who is right. That is the problem. Okay, so now this is what they're going to do. So they're going to enforce the peace agreement using military power. Secondly, I think peacekeepers, soldiers that you see in IDP camp, maybe in Juba you see some peacekeepers, maybe in Bor, in Malakal, in Bentiu, in Abyei, a lot of UN peacekeepers. These peacekeepers, when the UN take a military intervention, they're going to be turned to become something called stabilized forces. They are not going to be peacekeepers anymore. So that means they will be a fighting force. This one, I argue, will happen actually in South Sudan. So all those forces that are, you see, that are United Nations force, they're going to be turned to be a military force, and they will enforce now the agreement. If they think a certain party has a problem with the agreement, then they're going to disarm you. They're going to fight you using all those peacekeepers will become a military now in South Sudan. So that is going to be new. That one never happened. So that's the second thing. Third is that usually UN peacekeepers, what they do is that if they turn to be a fighting force, so they fight alongside the government. So they make the government. Where is the government is going to come from here? So the government is going to come from parties. There will be what they call a national dialogue. A lot of parties will be included. Any South Sudan tribal force or maybe political party that was not in the agreement, was silent, they're going to come into the agreement. So that's what they are doing. They will be called, everybody will be called to go to participate in the agreement, present their case, and then you sign the agreement. So when you sign the agreement, you become the part of the force. So now, if you reject the agreement and then you say that you're going to fight, that is when all those peacekeepers plus the other party will ally along you, and then they will crush you. So you're not going to. That's what actually happened in Congo, and that's what happened in Somalia. Those are, I studied those cases. The UN peacekeepers turned to be a military force. So that's what is going to happen in South Sudan. Now there is the issue of release of detainees, for example, like Riek Machar, or maybe Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir actually, these two guys, they might have a problem. Okay, so there could be, and let me do this prediction. I think there will be going to be these two guys. They might have a problem, so they might not be in the new government. I think so, because in Addis we see that Salva Kiir cannot walk, he cannot function. He's become very old, and what it means is that the leaders, African leaders, they were wondering why this one is up. His shoe, he was feeling in his fan. This is embarrassing. So what it means is that somebody like this cannot lead. He cannot think, actually. So what happened is that they're going to make a resolution about that soon. Either they're going to force him to resign or give him some incentive. And by the way, I argue that South Sudan might have a secret president, not Salva Kiir. There is some people who are running the country, not actually Salva Kiir. We see that from Addis. So that means Salva Kiir might be out of the power. Maybe Riek Machar will undergo the trial. They say they're going to release them, but if the law say that they're going to be tried, so that means they are out of the power. So what happened is that we're going to have a new face in South Sudan. Even in the election coming, there could be new people who are going to actually to be new leaders, and this is something that is going to happen. A lot of people don't know this. Okay, so this is what is going. This all proposal is totally new. Okay, so it's going to look new. It's not going to be like that is going to fail like the other peace agreement. Let's see. It might fail. How when it fails, what will happen actually? So the problem is that if it fails, there's going to be so much problem. Okay? If this one fails, it means there will be a civil war in the country. So that means the war will be fought by disarmament. So that means peacekeepers will fight alongside the government, and then rebel will be crushed. So this can be a long time. We don't know when it's going to end. Okay? So that's what, if there are some rebels that are rejecting this, then is wrong. So my recommendation, my view on this is that if there is the AAU, IGAD Plus are calling for inclusive peace agreement, this is what all the South Sudanese actually should look into. If you have a faction, you are a rebel, you have a tribal army, or you are a organized armed forces, you need to actually to be included in the agreement. You need to go to the agreement. You need to say yes to the agreement. In that way, we can find the problem. We can end this problem very quick. Okay? Because when a certain rebel group reject this, there is going to be huge consequences. This is going to be huge because IGAD Plus mean countries that are around South Sudan, plus another country far away from South Sudan, like West Africa, South Africa, country going to be involved in one country. So it's going to be a bad thing. So I think, I believe this one might work. And the reason I really believe it is because if there is a military intervention from the African Union and the UN, then definitely the intervention will work. It's not going to be like the other intervention. So that's what I think, and that will happen in South Sudan. Hopefully, we will look at it to maybe this week or maybe next week. They say they're going to speed it up. We can see that. So my message to all of you is to go into either Tumania agreement, Revitalize Peace agreement, all the agreements that are being proposed. They are really good for our country right now, so that at least the people who are suffering, many people who have been displaced, can actually access the humanitarian assistance or have at least reached by the UN agencies. And then we can encourage the intervention, because right now war is not removing the dictator. It doesn't go to the capital city, and it's just killing a lot of people, displacing people in the villages. So this is not very good war. So we can really support the peace agreement, and that's what this summit is calling for. So I think we can be supported. Let me turn to a dialogue very quick, because a lot of people here who are listening, they might be listening from Thugnora or maybe Thugnas. Saban kayen wore kon tia lingwan me neme kwa here go ko neme me jidit neme lero de men tama chabi ye ti kontin la larka ne kianga. So min lero de tama ka African Union e jenna ba barwaitin African Union minani to tin lengu njen roye sin no African Union minani to tin jene. Okay, can African Union cha me yale IGAD plus cha chevaken IGAD plus lele allow we deal kon yale IGAD yeta te Kenya, Ethiopia, tananteke luno Uganda allow we to shalke IGAD cha kanyo moy we dan di to kongre Africa ko ba Michael dung Junub Sudan ba kulutsu no mo jen nan le roden tama. Okay, so quarter ya kwan chala serial rampaso quarter Africa, quarter South Africa. Ajara mimbi no be lead. So and then min dong bien ya leleken wonene alaw til ma dong mulu no ma gwe keken me na nang ko de mal de lel ka Junub Sudan. Gero bi na lo ka peace agreement dung 2018. No mo ajen kel nan lo no mi to no mo rei dola min dong dia ya nyawle ken wona na ba nay ko ya yen political detainees ba ka loñ particularly ye ka rew ma cha. Okay, so and to talk ken ya propose ken then concern dong ji ben ya lo wona na self fakir ke jale long actually tenay dong wona long ta ya welo no tadan lai chu ke juba jerme ro da nyot to wa lo no tanan jel ge je law tek mi pen ma cha lu no mi pen kam chu na ke no mo concern me di no long we Africa karan mana luno me lo mete point ko mugru no jen jet de lit ke ade no ngwame. So to talk kan ko ni to ke Addis Ababa allow me kwala be bring ne down audio bane link yo ne me le roda me ba kon nan ka ja me jidit lakin mina ni bila jidit sine lengu. Okay, so me lel ga jenen kana ba mal ba nyolat dung 2018 jen ba nyolelo. So 2018 ya ko le la fele luno ngula jidid man la tin kan mada go sino babal la wana me jalla de min jidid nanin mi bila min khalel me dan ba ko le kan tam. So luno ken kanana luno allow minani jalla unified force ba lel ba nyolel no gwede ba pel kan ba luno ba mi ala security takale kul ba ka nyor yalaka ba constitution ba yalaka allow bina work election lakin no mo cha kon medan right kula ngum bi different symptom luno ba lelga. Okay, minanin bil mila issue jenen minanin weya tekre auto bitwo. Okay, can allow ba military force by use can biga benga dish. Okay, so how being a hidi obi ben gade ngai nan bi ngai ne jenen. Okay, law mi yu bi 5 countries to kono lono ya choose ken nana Algeria, Chad, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa. Okay, we to mi we ke allow tanken to ke ji re South Sudan tam ji nan la we ale unimis minan te ka makal te ka Juba te ka Bentiu te ka Abiy. Allow number 1 Rwanda take a G with it wrong. Number 2 South Africa take a G raid. Number 3 allow Nigeria take a G. Nay the con dongda sil G mo dongda la Algeria can shot. Can the con way to interest in bangai ma take interest ka South Sudan ka jam. So luno mayana ku benentama we at all mo kwanyika ji Africa o biga te wana kwanyika ke chaka kwanyika wona ne te ka ba belela ke ne ke te roi mangai ke no kwanyika ke ku te ke ji ke Junub Sudan weni re UN. So allow no more me jira me te ko political science ke international relation yo kwendwel gora je UN nana mi yale UN peacekeepers nei ko ngu yiga taka mai di long le ni mai jinu Sudan ken okay lakin bi ga gui ba dong ba na ba na re dien ba ngu lel gui na ken taka da bab na tong cham mai do ken min nan ngot gor ka ngot so ko ba mai yora ken min nan la lel ga ken la kwai lele la ga nun so alaw me to ka Somalia ke ko Congo alaw ken to ko wo ko bi ga la peacekeepers ba ka kula belel alaw ji ne te ye na no mo ba o pass ba yu ngai ken ke ye ye na la wo ye na to wale so wo ye ngam wo ye ke jin mete ga mal me ya propose mi ye ke na me ka cha agree ka shi lo ko ti ga je ba yor ma je kan to wale ba do ma ka ba disarm so no more engine nungwe ye mimbito so go retar wona how agreement men the la different so no more engine na nungwe ye bito doran so ken a malfonde by enforce ken ke dish now actually men an bito sin odi o mo wa oje o na jinne na tiga dor na chiang mo tiga dor timen long kan la daga ba jon ba lim ne je kana de na lel de na lele violation lakini ntame chabe nyo lele kanum mo wa ngai o tiga dor ba do wi so wala ka ba ka me ji ba yi disarm ka me jin politician me yen ba try na ko yali international court so the to I mean be to no more min bila different me ka me to doran ne chiang goro ba ne ngai no min dong awodi wona ne kur nan to on tama gurgo ba ka chonkan so goro bina dial bi wo mala alaw any faction me yega na ngu bay dio kawne chong kur mu wi lo be ka chong bi tego shurut bi be jinial bay si for example me jin wide army me jin ayu me jin nas yega wala garnan yalla shirilo nas che wona ne jene lo mal mina ne ro actually riang en tam la re je jem jem no ko na me bena bene to one baga fact okay so lono jen alaw jin bay si mu wi malolo tama displacement dina nan yeken sharp nei ko liwon tama ka nei te kito lono tilka connection ka kor wona liw na ka villages cha town na da ya ban pin so nei to liw ti juj ka chuj liw ka bol liw go tilo wol liw go ya je kien ring na ka yunu population mudi minan te tin mu ko lo for example yega kirilo me brare we ya kor gor ki ayu me we ngana tam ngana gor no kor chamal mo lar ke African Union e gor minan la toja ne bay di okay jin mal ye gor no kor bi win di ngam wo ye go no bakir wo okay kada nyu ne ko jin kor bi win ka til sharp kun te bi te luno bi chu yirede gorgo no kurmi di win me do churam nani wijo yega kir tilga problems in no lakin kurmi we be win e luno bi sharp chui bi gari ngaro bi jis bi ringa country into kong ma jin mo yi wi to kong wi go mo yirel e jeno kwal no wi african to kong na ba jo wi africa mo yi kero bi jis kane ko ba ko be mi radien no ne to sharp to tilo ngai keken so no mo ba jo normal mal mo wi o lo mi la to janen allow African peacekeepers to con ke UN peacekeepers ne dial kon ngwe te UN mi gangana ba ka turn ba ka ba te lo mi biga turn ko ne biga yirna okay no more kar me to njen bi to actually ka so Sudan ba to so goro no bane ngai o consequences beluno me bi to kana yi ko lo ko mal so ntabeluno mal nan chale ken goro ne kulu yiran ramaya ban pin medan may I ban dan kai sol ka 2018 peace agreement and faction whether in tribal army changa jin matiang nyor jin dut ku bay ke jin red bell white army ne do dial tono gor ko bi ben male ko bo baden be teg mi yalla disarmament okay so bi ben male ka force do by organize allow professional force lolo bila the professional bila dish wish so we don't know better intervention UN intervention and then bagantam so let me make prediction actually so minan bito jane mila new min ka kono men taba ne don one long year and worth one we ke jena me da kula to di kada luno ya ni ting dial kon ya lel cha on mene ye fail ya on agreement ye fail ya on to money peace agreement ngu garwe do agreement rew ma chara agreement tangwan yi ga fail na me da kula succeed di well min nan gwi na me gargu okay UN kami yala African Union kay got countries mata kami ga dal la work ka new thing ba nyo chap me fail ba cham dong nyo chap so chap nan wa chap tam odi wona ne medan mata ka dur ma nga yo ne me dur yo ma char ka nga dur kier tilma la lelga ken go ga daraw ta ka ji so tam no ya chap de jan tam chap de odi wona ne mu wetara wa nen te dur ken lo mal ba nyo kan ga di na bi yi je ka di. So the question ko on na la day ma bakulu benedi minung 5 countries to go na lel ti ala plus Algeria, Chad, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa minung ko ba ga nyo le ko bi ga agreement e wo to ke ji ke jinu Sudan okay Rwanda te ke ji to mere Juba South Africa te ke ji ko bentiu tangen de ji ko makal nay ko ni ala Nigeria te ke ji all this money are so nay ko ya kwan ko bite ka wi ko no te gaji no already ka land of South Sudan no more engine no mi changa ine kon tam so je nan la gwe mi la gang chab lor bangane e wo ken ka kan jo dwai ma ka wo deren ka no kam nan ya United Nations Security Council so no men tam ka intervention no be wo ba ka jo yen bi ka duoi alors ba elra melo mal kaya ngai kan ba do mai kan ni kiran de disarm within 1 week ba crash so no more ejene ngoro na bar ngai so peacekeepers ko no ba kale la de na luno ba na in frozen part india le kon kul ba goro we male part mu malolo ba luno ba nyu ba disarm ka so Sudan so chan kide gwano luno ban mal no secondly ala rew ma char kan kir dia kan shigbi te ka kuma gorom balele kodiko rew ma char kod nan be tega kod mi jidin baba nyole hybrid kod balele ba ne don wan ba ka tontin so ala rew ma char already chabeloy bi bene kuma selfa kir ba wo selfa kir actually mi we ka adis concern nani ki bentin ke ben wi na Africa dialo changa yo hirama hie jenni right South Sudan actually no mo mi benial concern e benial pan alawo kwe palon medan mela e show ka Juba no en tamen rogne me la wate me charmi benial me yega chiz me ku yenne minan ker ko lingo so ye concern me di long ye no ka dis ora me ka der we ku ro di so jen actually alawo wije take me yalo koma hie jenni roi we wala wije yelat okay so luno jen alawo we roi ne ta kong that's why I was saying actually take me lar medan ye wene ne gare so Sudan me nei de kon roi je take pin wan we ngai people take a president roi je pin here Salva Kiir here innocent actually der ga ne je wan me no ko jogo yene na luno mu wije luno ne dial ko be jet so ne ko roi we kan pin enjen nan ya nen ya mi joy ka African wala wo ke dolum nan wo garamera me ke bula jen roi we so ntama bina ko ben ko jen joko je jin bi jien ka ko bi resign number 1 jin you are unhealthy ci shar wuju yetil ta ka porba ka Africa mala burne ne ke kula ya kula wene ne the X jub nan la mila job ne jen chawe the X forgets but the tree keep remembering no African proverb ludo nungu no mo mi ludo lundo ne ala job me ci job ne jiat job actually tilma wiye me chalel ramnanin job bay ga woro lo jiat so allow dictator ray Africa allow ken mataga macha lele ken mi jiyo ya na no ke mu cha remember ken Allow Nate con quador, Nate con get hard. For example, here Silver Gear Nama, Neo show like her Juba, who remember? You think you remember? Where on your like artists? You think we remember no more? They don't. Cha we hear a door. So Nate con like Yadin quality job and can I con in bad or remember again. Okay? So Luno, Mergira Meluno, may I heard. You keep remember, be remember, Nikiam. Yang no Salpakir, I got no Salpakir, I hear Marano Salpakir. Lakin Jen, check actually, Shalka ruthless. Chang Ayakan. Again, Kuala Lano, Jup, Minjab when a jet and Jup point there, Chang Lel, Ramanan Lang or a jet and Kuala job. That's exactly a gentleman dictator. So, Yen, Menangura Balaria, Woody Wood Memele order Gray African Tama, a Majidit, Bela new. So Miller order allow Bajunu Berger. Bajunu Chichi do no bag. Come our girl, Mukwimina lair ordertin, Manaluno Jin Bila victim along. So Guano con law took on la Rodi Ray Africa, okay, we mourn Banagangai. So Minjidit nan biro lel jane, a woody woman. Unimizin la mila gangle. Actually, you haven't la card bucket ko unimis na jay audience now wake audience. Ko unimizin to one check his study. We mourn. Malaliang ana no long at all genocide. Malatwag her unimis. For example, case of Yugoslavia. Ka native Gabil Mayala Bosnia. Kan Gabil Madong Mayala Serb. Okay? So you go Gabel, you're on a work and whatever. You go Europe, allow Nady Alabosnian don't want long allow you chew yellow dwalke. Cananaka serve you no kian barodian. Taco we come ne UN, yet an antadoran. Weekend ya Lamu come now. May I we kid a nakon yellow serve or can the Akulu you walk a camna? Allow Woguri and come not on Woguri Rias. Takirat kana de babana alaw me wo koy lele ken koy nani UN minanu ko la UN dwaje ma ba kana ndiyar kulun dan won ne diyar kon wo ko na no mo e jene liang lo ka 1992 1995 ataka e jene sai mi to long ka Europe chetwo chiena ka chetwo ko wana na ka bili ne yeta na we ka ku me we na no to ka ne ko no te ka UN na gad ka man ti nanga yun na wo ko lo na char almost million of people will you. So no more a mu yemen lel and tama wa mo na kon wale ta to chaka ngai ne kon. So luno ne kon ne chu long kwai ka kan ko kan cha bo no kwen luno dol gor za to be china wok tin doran. So no more ja kon ko luno de kon me to me alel medan de we la re kon ka kwi ngone. Cheme luno mi ta sin yo gan cha video no ngone ka le long gare. Yun mi to ne ko na jaitin. Okay, but peace sign garma char bang water nothing, but peace no time water nothing. Why? A woman minan la tore de yangi. So luno unimis, rewde kon la tore sino me to genocide banana sin long. Rewde no ngin je you and nane. La loy he te won mala wale ba loy la de. Che peacekeepers anymore min kwalla wotin entam, min kwalla arge o bina wotin entam. So luno de you and nane le kul ba loy la de. Be yi. Tangwa ne be kuma or tangwa ne dong dere bolor so to nan kan lawot wo kan wan sindam mu we kuma or ke kaluna ayu ke waira mi kar san kamal be jego kon long so no goro bel kon chan kide mi goyen tam gwano kon banna mal baneno so bina o mal ba rebuttal peace agreement me a propose na dial minani ban focus njene bana we are okay medan me toge dung na ser wodi wona ti yol waira mi ta ka dangrar chare yodi ne alet cha ngudi ne alet ci politician ne gon taga ayo hiramo goro konde kana chiega so luno yi ci case ci ngutera tama wona mi na ko ben ka gi ko lar kana case waira mi ana ra mata ga case ka South Sudan awon malamo ka nje ne ngur ka UN mo ka nje ne ngur ga ji Africa luno ba bi ne dia la na mata ga fol bi wo male ba fol ba ngai wana mo te wana mo ba yikulu bi rama bi dor nyoto en jaram nan bi tegariel okay so no mo e nan le ro den tama rew dong dien ba funded yi shunde ko ne la pel ga de hidino rew ma shari ba le te ka bom di me de ju ni win mon me dere man look je kiru le te bo me de no me to wodi wodi ne ken chala moy ga yo ken cha mo yo me ade lel ba kir ba lo yo e ko kwe fan jin to bi ga sil ken rew de kon bi bëgg tama ba fan ken ga yo law anything me gor ma lel ga na ko lel ga no ngu to yal bi yo bi la available okay den me gur je ko ne ne me gur je tiga je lu no nyun na ko tiga je ba lonje so rew to ga kan bi to on tam kon wona sin so na che bi join long please share thank you bye bye